Welcome to Road 200 Con Questions. 5 to 7 numbers are given. Which of the following will be the largest value of median? The largest value of median, let's take the two numbers very large. Let's say 9 and 10, or much larger than that, doesn't matter. So median is a middle value. Here if you look at a middle value is 7, so median is 7. So to take the largest value of the median, take the two values which are remaining as very large. So automatically if you look at median will be 7. The largest value of median will be 7. Right? If they want to ask for the smallest value, we would have taken two smallest value less than 6 and the median then would have been 6. But since they have the largest value, it will be 7. There are 4 variables. W varies as square as x. X varies inversely as y. So x square will vary inversely as y square. Y varies as square of z. That means this will be z raised to 4. Square of z. So z doubles. So if z becomes from z, it becomes 2z. So 2z raised to 4. So if you look at w is inversely proportional to that. So which will be w will be 1 upon 16 raised to z raised to 4. So that means w will reduce once become 1/16 time. So B option. You can do it this way also. If z doubles, y will become 4 times because square of y. If z doubles, y will become 4 times. X is inversely proportional to y, so x will become 1/4 time. And w varies as square of x, so w will become 1/16 time. So from that you can make out the answer will be 1/16. In how many ways can letters of the word carrot be arranged such that vowels occupy first, third and fifth position? So first, third or fifth. So two vowels to be arranged in these places, so 3p 2 ways. This is 3 into 2, 6 ways. The first vowel can occupy 3 places, second vowel can occupy 2 places. The remaining 4 can be arranged anywhere. So it will be 4 factorial upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial because 2 hours. 12 ways. So total number of ways becomes 6 into 12, 72 ways. C option is the answer. Sides of a regular hexagon are increased from 2.5 to 10 centimeter. From 2.5 to 10, basically we are saying 4 times. There is a property which says when the sides and the ratio of A is to B, area will be in the ratio of A square is to B square. So if side becomes 1:4, area will become 1:16. So area is 16 times. But read the question properly. It says percentage increase in the area. So increases 1 to 16 increases 15 upon 1 into 100. 1500%. Or we say 16 minus 115, 100%. D option. If it is 16 times, we say 1500%. Remember, if double, we say 100%. Triple, we say 200%. So 16 times becomes 1500%. A set contains only positive integers from 1 to 100 such that none of the numbers in the set are 3 times that of the other numbers. What is the maximum number of elements in the set? So none of them are 3 times. If I remove all the multiples of 3, remember I remove all the multiples of 3. So I am removing 33 numbers. Right? So 67 numbers will be there. But we'll be tempted to mark 67, but 67 is not the answer. In this multiples of 3, which is 3, 6, 9, which I have removed, 12, 15, 18. If you look at 9 is 3 times 3. And since 3 is not there, we can include 9. Right? Same way 18 is 3 times 6. Since 6 is not there, but we can include 18. That means we can include multiples of 9. How many multiples of 9 are there? 9, 18, 27, up to 81. 80 up to 99, which are 11 terms. So I add 11. Okay, which are multiple of 9. But again, there's a problem. If I include 9, I can't include 27. So here I have included all powers of 3 square, 3 cube, all multiples of 9. All multiples of 3 squares I have included. So now I have to exclude all multiples of 3 cube. I have to exclude. This I have to include, this I have to exclude. Because if 9 is there, 27 cannot be there. 18 is there, 54 cannot be there. Right? So there are 3 such numbers. I have to remove those 3. 27, 54, 81. So what is the difference? 27, 54, 81. But if 27 is not there, I can include 81. So I can include all the numbers which are part of 3 raised to 4. So plus 1. Now if I add it up, it becomes 76. So answer is B option. It looks a little complicated, but if you understand the pattern, even if you have very big numbers, you can find the logic. So what I did was all numbers of multiple of 3 are removed, because we don't want any 3 times the number. But all multiple of 3 square are included, because if 3 is not there, 9 can be there, because 9 is 3 times 3. And I excluded all multiples of 3 cube, included all multiples of 3, 4 and so on. You will be doing that, you will see that total 76 numbers. Thank you.